Hello everyone, today I'm introducing this Rainbow Explosion Black Tears makeup, which is demonstrated with multicolor face painting. First, I'm using an Amani primer to smooth my pores on my skin. Then I'm using Power Fabric to do my foundation. Now I'm going to use KRYOLAN TV Paint Stick to rendering tap around my eyes as the eyeshadow base. This color is 070. A mega stick that has a creamy texture, which not only allows me to put on the eyeshadow suit later, but also because it is white, it can make the color more visible on my face. Applying eyeshadow is a very interesting part. First, I'm blending blue eyeshadow in front of my eyes. Then, I'm using a pink color around my eyebrow. Lilac, applying the upper eyelid and lower eyelid, and then a layer of pink to increase saturation, green and orange to quick and easily blend in the back of my eyes. The outer color is blending with yellow to increase brightness. All of the eyeshadows are from Makeup Forever. Here, I give you some makeup tips. Every color has their own brushes, which means change your brush for every color so you won't smudge your color. When the color is not enough, you can little by little apply more color on. There are no rules for blending. You can follow your heart to do it as an artist. Now I finish this side. The other side does the same. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever 12 Flash Color Case. Mixing up the light blue first, then use a brush to apply makeup boldly. After that, prepare a disposable eyelash brush to pick up the light blue. In terms of technique, it is deliberate to create the traces of brushing. I'm using a small brush to apply the green and light green color from the flash color. After that, using a fluffy brush to brush out the trails. In the overall color, I'm using a fluffy brush with an orange flash color to the middle and outer parts of the eyes. I'm quickly to increase the orange color and gradient. Now take a brush and a disposable brush to pick up the yellow flash color, then apply boldly in the outer color in order to create traces of brushing and increase the brightness. Using a disposable eyelash brush to pick up the pink flash color and apply rendering from inside to outside in order to brush out the trails such as an explosion, irregular eruption, and color mixing. Here, I'm using a fluffy brush to pick up the mixing flash color of blue and white and apply nearby blue eyeshadow. Then, put more blue eyeshadow in order to increase color saturation. In the end, I put more pink eyeshadow to stand out my nose. Spraying some water-activated face paint by using a cheap brush. Using a small brush to make up my under eyeshadow with the black flash color. After that, doing eyeliner on the waterline with a black waterproof eye pencil. The other side does the same. Switch to black water-activated face paint. Let my brush soak in order to draw black tears. Here, we need to be careful with the amount of water, also rotating the head to create different directions. If too much water, just use a tissue to absorb. Using the same cheap brush to spray pink water-activated face paint nearby black tears. And then the same cheap brush to spray purple-blue water-activated face paint around the overall color. Applying a full black lip by using a lip brush. Now, using water-activated face paint, apply pink first and then blue. After blue, do yellow. After yellow, do orange. Finally, applying green. Here, I recommend using bigger brushes as it will be fast because of the neck and body part. Remember, it's important to have fun, so there are no rules to create your makeup. Just follow your heart. Here, I'm doing more eyeshadow and using a disposable brush to pick up the pink and yellow flash color to create a feeling of dragging with brushing out. In order to increase color saturation, I'm gonna put more blue and orange water painting. Now I'm using a big brush with black watercolor to draw a visible line and paint a dark area at the junction of neck and jawline. Switch to the brush the same as black tear brush. Keeping brush watery with black water activated face paint to draw black tears. Also, we need to pay attention with the amount of water and rotating the neck to create the different directions. Here, I'm touching up the black area by using a brush with black water painting. I'm using a tree brush with yellow and orange water painting to spray around my neck. Yeah, now I finished it. If you guys like my mega creation, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you so much. By the way, since this month is a Pride month, I show my respect with this rainbow makeup. Happy Pride!